Hi guys, welcome to my channel today. Alright, today I would like to share a lesson with letter M's. So I would like you all together join with my channel and repeat all together, and also review again and again to make sure that you get the lesson from this video. Okay, so let's go to letter M. So please everyone, you repeat to me 3 times all together. M. Okay, the sounds of letter M is the sound M. Let's say all together. M. Okay, so here are 4 words that begin with letter M's. So number 1, moon. Second one, mother. The third one, mouse. The fourth one, milk. Okay, come with me and say it all together. Okay, moon. Mother. Mouth. Milk. Okay, so after that, right now let's go to say the sentence all together. So here I have 2 sentences in order to practice, in order to make the sentence with the word that begin with letter M. So the first one is I like milk. Okay. Second one, this is my mouth. Okay, so everyone, please, if you like it, please subscribe my channel to get it next video. Goodbye. See you next time.